Hello CAT aspirants. I am Jaraj Agrawal from PGB batch 2123 at IIM Raipur. CAT 2021 is around the corner and I am sure you might be burning that midnight oil to crack the CAT examination. Today, I will be sharing with you my journey of CAT examination and the strategies that helped me score above 97%. Starting with the structure of examination, CAT 2020 had a total of 76 questions, 26 questions in the VARC section, 24 in the DILR section, and 26 in the quant section, and the sectional timings were 40 minutes for each section. You can expect a similar number of questions this year too. First, I'll talk about the do's and don'ts during the examination and then get into the section-wise strategies. First, have a sound sleep 2 days before exam. It is important that your stress levels are low. Second, brush up the topics that you have already studied so far, for example, squares, cubes, percentages. And don't start with any new topic now. Next, never go about solving all the questions because it is not the number of questions that matter, but the accuracy that matters. But does that mean you attempt less questions? No. Ideally, 10-12 questions in each section with good accuracy should be good enough to fetch you above 90%. Spend a few minutes initially to quickly glance through the section and categorize the sets of questions into easy, moderate, and difficult based on your comfort level and understanding of the concepts. You can do this by clicking on the question paper tab on the top right corner of your exam window. Now, talking about the section-wise strategies. First is VARC section. My strategy for RC was to identify the genres, for example, current affairs, business, economics, fiction, by reading the first few lines of each passage, and then go ahead with the genre I was most comfortable with. While answering the VARC questions, the elimination strategy is the most helpful, which means that eliminate the incorrect options until you get to the right one. Second is DILR section. For logical reasoning, practice is the key. And as they say, the more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in battle. Analyze the LR sets from the mocks you have given so far and try to identify the way to crack the sets. For DI, be well versed with the concepts like squares, cubes, percentages. This will help you solve the DI sets with good accuracy and quickly. Although an on-screen calculator is available, but I would not recommend you to use that because it takes time. Last is the quant section. All the questions in this section are individual, unlike the previous two sections. I would suggest you to focus mostly on topics like arithmetic and algebra as they hold the highest weightages. Do not spend much time on each question. Identify the ones you're comfortable with and go on solving them. That's it from my side. All the best for your CAT examinations and thank you.